Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're working on a 2009 Nissan Quest. We're going to replace the front brake pads. So first thing first, you have to put a jack on it and remove the tire. In this case, my tire has a safety lock, which is this one right here. Yours, if you have one, yours might be in the glove box. So yeah, just put the jack on, remove the tire, and then we go from there. If you have a jack stand, this is the time to put it. All right, now we are here. We are going to have to remove this bolt right here and this one right here with a 17mm socket. So I'm going to do that right now. When I was hitting the brakes, it was making a squeaking sound. All right, so I was trying to remove the bolt that's here in the bottom, but it turned out to be like super hard. Like I couldn't get it out. So I came up with an idea. I got another jack. This is just in case you can't get the bolt out, you can use this idea. So basically what I did, I put the ratchet here and I get another one of these jacks and just put it right here below. Right here. Tie it all the way. Yeah, you can't. So let's say it's right there. And then this socket right here, it's a 21mm. So you put it right here. And then using another ratchet, you can turn right here. Or you can also use something like this. And then turn all the way into the right until the bolt comes out. So I did this with this one and it's already loose. Again, you might not have this problem, but mine were like super tight. I couldn't even try to get them out. I mean, I tried with all my strength and I couldn't take them out. And then you can do the same thing for the upper one. If it's really tight, you can like put a 2x4 or something right here so the jack can reach all the way right there. Alright, I'm gonna demonstrate how I did it. So I put some 2x4s right there so I can reach to the one on the top. My socket is right here on the upper bolt and this is ready to go. So like I said before, I couldn't get it out. I tried with my own strength and I couldn't get it out. So this is what I'm gonna try right now and show you how I did it. You might hear a click. Oh, there. All right. And now it should be easy. There. So make sure you put this one somewhere so you can know it's the one that goes on the top. So let me show you. This one goes on the top, has like this little plastic right here, and this one's the one that goes on the bottom. All right, now at this point you have to push the piston all the way back. In order to do that, what you can do is put the brake pad here, and using a C-clamp like I'm gonna use right here, we can push it all the way back. I don't know if you can tell how it's going in. Let me show you. Yeah, it's going in. So yeah, just push this one. Don't push it all the way. Make sure you do the one on the bottom too. All right, these are the new brake pads we're going to put on. I'm going to put a link down below in the description where you can buy them. So, all right. We got that side. And we got that side. Okay, now the next step is to put the caliper back. So we're just going to bring it down. Yeah, you're gonna like wiggle it a little bit. There. We are going to put the one on the top, which is this one with the plastic right here. And we're putting the one on the bottom as well. If it doesn't want to go in, just wiggle it a little bit and keep turning until it works. Okay, so right there. Now you can use the ratchet with the 17mm socket and tie it up all the way. And now we do the one on the bottom. All right, and pretty much that's it. We finished with this side. Now you can do the same thing for the other side now that you know what to do with this side. So that's it. Just put the tire back, put the lug nuts back in, and that's pretty much it. That's how to replace the brake pads on a 2009. It should be 2003 all the way to 2009 Nissan Quest. Again, I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, peace.